We live and work in an increasingly interconnected world. Between smartphones, tablets, ultrabooks, mobile broadband, and ubiquitous Wi-Fi hotspots, our ability to find out almost anything, almost anywhere, is getting more impressive by the minute. Why should your business be any different? At Reliable Softworks, we help your business become more profitable by leveraging these latest technologies to connect you with your data wherever you are. Here's a look at ReliaScan. It's great not only in the warehouse for receiving and cycle counts, but also on the sales floor. Let's say I want to check on an item. I can zap the barcode and get some quick information, including how many we have in stock. A tap brings up more information, including a picture, category information, the count of our inventory and our buying group inventory, the floor price, and a list showing where our inventory is. Next, let's take it on the road and see how our drivers are doing. When your driver goes out, he can call up Copilot on his tablet or his phone. He can see all the stops on his route, including the pieces on each one, and any balances that need to be collected. If he's on a phone, he can tap a phone number to dial the customer, he can map his route, and he can even collect a signature for the delivery. And since this is all live, the office can then print the slip and see the signature on it instantly. Our most popular mobile solution is the Mobile Tech. This allows your technicians to do everything they need to do on the road and in the customer's home without having to call the office or fumble with paperwork. They can see their schedule. Dates with calls are in blue here, so they can get an overview a month at a time. Drilling down into a day, we've got all the calls, including the towns, and the times and the order statuses. Drilling down into a call, we've got all the details. We can tap to call the customer. We can tap to email them or to email a copy of the order. We've got the appliance information and we can edit it. If there's history, we can check that out. Here we see that this tech went out on this date, and these are the notes he left. We can see what the customer owes by the bill code. We can see this is a warranty job. We can add parts and other charges here, or edit the ones that are already there. We can edit the trip, adding a time in and a time out, and the status of the trip. This one's going to be a return. You can schedule a return, leave a note for next time. And of course, while we're there in the home, we can confirm with the customer what would be a good day and time, and see our schedule on those days to see if it's overbooked or if it's in the area. Get a signature from the customer to acknowledge that we were there. Saved. It's all live in real time. And of course, we can collect payment. We don't need it on this order. Techs can also check the stock on their truck, and they can request more. And they can look up vendor information in case they need to connect with a vendor while they're on the road. They can tap to call, and if we have the website, they can tap to visit that. And of course, since it's live in both directions, any changes made by the office are instantly reflected here. Back at the store, we have Relia Terminal, the newest member of our mobile family. It's designed to give your salespeople everything they need to serve your customers best, no matter where they need to be to do that. Because Relia Terminal, like everything else we've looked at so far, runs on any modern web browser. That means iPhone, iPad, iPod, Android phones, Android tablets, Windows 8 phones, Windows 8 slates, and even Google TV. Oh, and Mac, PC, and Linux. So, let's take a look around. We've got our delivery schedule, so we can see what's going out and when, and how busy all the trucks are. We can drill down into the details of any delivery. We can change, cancel, or print it. We can do a cash out report at the end of the day. Of course, if a customer comes in, we can look them up by phone number, by address, by name. And if we need to edit any customer details, if the customer comes in with some new information, it's easy enough to just change it right here. As always, we can just tap to email, tap to call. Of course, writing a sale couldn't be simpler. Just tap on the button, and we've got a new order with Jenny's details. We can change any of the information we need on it, including referrals and project partners. We can print, we can email a PDF. Of course, adding items to the order is easy. We can manually add the details, or if we have a scanner attached, we can just zap it right in, press the button, and there it is. Just tap right on the line to bring up the details and make any changes where needed. Add options. Of course, we want to get paid. So in addition to entering the payment manually, we support a number of Bluetooth, USB, and other devices for swiping credit cards. We can collect a signature for the payment. And we've got the updated balance information. And we can schedule the delivery right from here. Grab the item we want to deliver. Choose a date, time, and truck. Or a location if it's a pickup. We can see what's on the schedule already. And we're booked. Back here on the home screen, there's even more we can do. As with ReliaScan, we can check stock or check the catalog, searching by a few more criteria such as brand, model, or category. Once we get our results, we can see prices, colors. Right here I can see I have an item with 48 in stock. I can start a new sale or a new quote right from here. And we can drill down to get even more details, such as package pricing, a fuller description. It's all there. Everything a well-armed salesperson needs, wherever he needs it. Contact us today to find out more about how Reliable Softworks' mobile family of solutions can make your business more profitable everywhere.